Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Catnap on Dress to Impress. Make your skin tone black and you're going to walk over here. Select this outfit and you're going to select the turtleneck on and you're going to color it this purple. You can make it a little bit darker if you want, but I'm just like going with the kind of like cartoon they have, like the character. Actually, I might make it this color actually, like in the middle here. Save color. Then I'm going to use this and I'm also going to make it the same color as well. Whoops, wrong one. Then after that, you are going to walk here and you're going to select this. And you're going to select the number 3 one and make that this color. Then these ears. Wait, sorry. It's these ones. This one. This one. And then make the second color a little bit darker, like so. Then after that, you're going to walk into VIP. You can use the gloves from outside, but I'm just going to use this one. And I'm going to color it the same as the outfit. Oops. Then you're also going to wear these boots. And again, color it the same, as well as the tail here. Kitty, kitty. Alright, then we're going to go to custom makeup. And for the eyes, we're going to use this one, I think. Grab the mask and select no feathers and color it all the same color as the rest, creating this scary effect. Go to the hair, go to masculine, and select this hair and again color it the same. Then in feminine, you're going to use, let's say, where is it? You're going to use this hair. You're going to color it purple and you're going to select bangs only. And that's it. You can add in like furs if you'd like to. Maybe like this. And like the other one. Here. Oops. And once you're done with this, you're just going to select the tall pose under Halloween. Like so. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.